Howdy y'all, Fast Forward's 289. So tonight, I'm working on my 68 Ford Fairlane Fastback, and you know, you can't make this shit up. Like, this is one of them what the fuck moments. Well, when I bought the car, there was literally only 2 bolts holding the entire door on. There was this bolt right here, and the one in the middle here. It was missing this one, this one, this one, and this one. I already put these 2 in. I tapped the holes, cleaned them and all that. Found these are just 4 bolts that I had laying around. Had laying in my drawer of just regular junk bolts. This came out of the Mustang. And this is the kind of bolt that it's supposed to have, but I didn't want to take... Obviously I didn't want to pull one of these bolts out because then the door would fall off. I only had 2 holding anyway. So I pulled one out of the Mustang knowing it's the same kind of bolt to get the right thread pitch and all that. And I'll get some more of these eventually somewhere down the road, order them or whatever, but you can't make this stuff up. I mean, this is part of owning an old car, and it's the kind of stuff you'll see, and it's fine, you know. I'll fix it. It's good as new, but you know, you gotta love it. It's part of working on old cars. You see things that you just can't believe or wouldn't ordinarily see, and you just go, what the fuck? And this is one of the moments where I'm just like, wow. And I remember when I bought the car, because I've been meaning to do this for a while, and I forgot about it. I never opened this door, so I don't think about it. I forgot. But I remember when I bought the car, and when I go to open the passenger door, it would like kind of drop. And I thought maybe the pin bushings were bad for the hinge. Well, I opened the door and started looking at the bushings, and then that's when I realized there's no bolts. There's only 2 bolts holding the door, and this one was loose. So I tightened it up, and it stopped it from the drop, like sagging thing when you open the door. But yeah, so I'm fixing this up. That way it'll be securely tightened and bolted to the car. And yeah, gotta love it. Well, thank y'all for watching. Have a good night. Take care.